To apply noise reduction and reverb, double-clicking the track you want to apply to, you'll be taken to the waveform screen to apply to the entire original file you clicked on. Press minus to zoom out to find some clips of silence in the file. Press spacebar to playback to be sure the clip you select is completely silent. Now select a part of it, go to Effects, Noise Reduction and Restoration, and Capture Noise Print. Click on it, the program will learn the room noise to reduce. Now go to the button right below Capture Noise Print called Noise Reduction Process, and this will pop up. What you need are these two sliders in the middle. The top one is how much of the sound is considered noise. The bottom one is to reduce how much of the above. Slide them left and right to see what combination sounds the best to you. Make sure you listen to some of the music to be sure you don't take away the good details in your playing. On the bottom left, you can turn the effect on and off, or play back with this one or the spacebar. Now your clip is playing. This green one is to turn the effect on and off, and you can do that during playback to hear how the effect changes your clip. You can also move your playhead to a different place to listen to a different part. Once you are sure, click Apply on the bottom right to actually apply the effect to your clip. Choose Close to discard. Now I press spacebar to stop playback. To add reverb, it's also under Effects. Whatever you do will also be applied to the entire file. Go to Effects, Reverb. There are a few options. There are some good ones in Studio Reverb, but my favorite for instrumental playing is the full reverb. Now this pops up. Bottom left has the same buttons as before. Don't be intimidated by all these sliders. I usually just go straight to the presets here. Click on any of them to give it a try. Play back, and again, turn the effect on and off to hear the difference. If you want to try another one, stop playback, select another one, listen to it. Move the playhead to listen to a different place. Sometimes it takes the program a second to respond. Now it's playing. Spacebar to stop. Now when you're sure, click Apply to actually apply to the file, and Close to discard. To go back to your multi-track screen, click Multi-track up here. That's the one that the effects were applied to. Double-click to select another file to work on. Same as before, select Silence for noise print, etc. as you remember, and apply reverb. Now you'll see that the last reverb you apply to is suggested here, in case you don't remember what you did before. And as before, apply to confirm the effect, and close to discard.